Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka from first chapter Arjuna Vishada Yoga from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atra suraha maheshvasaha bhimarjuna samaha yudhi yuyudhano viratascha drupadascha Maharadha. When we do something wrong, we get fear from each and every corner of the world. That becomes anxiety. So let us not do anything wrong. That is the instruction from this sloka, and final instruction from Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter of Gita is Mamekam Saranam Vraja, surrender to me alone. Now let us say, "O Krishna, I shall follow your instructions." "O Krishna, karishye vachanam tava." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us listen to the Srimad Bhagavatam, and in the end of this video we will again chant Sri Bhagavad Gita slokam, today's slokam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana, Paramatma who came down as Vamana is now walking into the Bali Chakravarti's Yagasala. Bali Chakravarti has seen Vamana, welcomed Vamana, and washed the divine feet of Vamana. Those feet are the feet, the great feet, divine feet, which were washed by Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma. Not only that, Tatpada Saucham Janakalmashapaham Saha Dharmavit Murdhni Adadhat Sumangalam Yaddeva Devaha Girisaha Chandramaulihi Dadhara Murdhna Paraya Cha Bhaktya. Not only that, the great Devata Paramasiva, the one who has moon on his head, such great Paramasiva, he has taken Ganga Jalam, which was coming from Sri Mahavishnu's divine feet, and Paramasiva has taken that Pada Jalam and sprinkled on his head. In the same way, here Bali Chakravarti, after washing the divine feet of Vamana, he felt that, he realized that the Pada Tirtham of Vamana is something which can wash off all the sins. and which confers all kind of auspiciousness. He believed in that, and he also sprinkled that Padatirtham of Vamana on his head. Jatilundunu సదండఛత్రుండును భిక్షాపాత్రుండును కరకలిత జలకమండలుండును మనోహర వదన చంద్రమండలుండును మాయావాదన వటుని పాద శౌచవారి శిరంబున పరమభద్రమనుచు బలివహించెన్. Bali Chakravarti washed the divine feet of Vamana, who is wearing Yajnaopavitam, who has a Sikha, who is also carrying Kamandalam, and who is captivating everyone's vision, everyone's heart. Bali Chakravarti washed such great Vamana's feet and then sprinkled that water upon his head. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadev Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 4th sloka. Atra Sura Maheshvasaha Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharadhaha. Atra Sura Maheshvasaha Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharadhaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.